Dang! It's another taste test! Yes, that's right. I'm back on sodas today. And today I'm going with Dang! That's good. Dang! 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 That's good. It's an Italian cherry soda. Let me see. All the natural soda ingredients. Benzodate, preservatives, fresh, red dye, number 40. You see, red dye 1 through 39, they sucked. They finally nailed it when they hit red dye number 40. Citric acid, artificial flavors, sodium benzene. So this is an Italian soda. Company is called Dang That's Good, out of Milwaukee. So this is soda. See, even the label says, Dang That's Good. Will it make me yell, Dang That's Good? Or will I be going, Dang That Sucks? That is what we're about to find out. Dun, dun, dun. Notice the Italian flag? Nan, nan, doom, 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 doom. Dun, 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 dun. Nan, nan, ding, ding, nan, 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 nan. Dang, that's good. And I mean it too. Man. This is almost as good as Dr. Brown. I'm going to give this an 8.8. Dang, that really is good. Dang, that's 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 good. It's good.